Hi, welcome to Pumpkin Oobleck with Deschutes Public Library. My name is Roxanne. We're going to go ahead and get ooey-gooey. To make oobleck at home, you're going to need cornstarch, water, food coloring, and pumpkin or allspice. Begin by adding equal parts of food coloring in primary red and primary yellow to create the secondary color of orange. Add a dash of pumpkin or allspice and stir. Most recipes call for 2 parts cornstarch to 1 or 1.5 parts water. But I've always found that I need more water than most recipes call for. So feel free to experiment as you try this at home. Mix your water and cornstarch together. Stir with a spoon if you can, but don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. This is a pretty ooey-gooey process, so feel free to mix by hand. It's also a great sensory activity. You'll want to make sure that you're wearing appropriate clothing and mixing and playing with oobleck in an appropriate space, be it outdoors or indoors. You don't want to do it over carpet or fabric furniture, but do have fun. Oobleck is considered a non-Newtonian fluid, which means, sort of like quicksand, it's neither a fluid nor a solid. There's too much water, so we'll need to add more cornstarch to balance things out. Oobleck is a pressure-dependent substance, like quicksand or silly putty. This means that applying pressure to the mixture increases its viscosity or thickness. Tapping the surface or attempting to stir it hardens and pushes the cornstarch particles together. If I dip my hand into the mixture slowly, it moves as if it's melted ice cream or Laffy Taffy. Moving my hand slowly allows the cornstarch particles time to move out of the way. You can freeze oobleck or add things like polished rocks, plastic bugs, or googly eyes for more sensory fun. Well, thanks for joining me today, everyone. Bye.